So someone in the comments today asked if I was going to do an update on the tomato buckets, and I realized it's August 1st, and yeah, I need to do an update on the tomato buckets. I planted these back in April, did a video on how I put them together, and they've been great. Really happy with how they work. Gotten a lot of tomatoes, and like this bad boy here. Check this thing out. That monster. That is a BLT waiting to happen. Got a basil plant from the grocery store 3 months ago. Brought it home, split it up, put it in about 5 pots. Now I've had basil going crazy all year. So those have worked out pretty good. I water them about every 2 days, depending on how hot it is, but it's been a really hot summer, so usually about every 2 days they need refilled. And this is like the most convenient garden setup I've ever done because it's right outside the door. No animals can get up here, no deer are eating things, no rabbits. Have not had a single problem with insects. I was out here about a month ago when all of these were still flowering, and I followed this bumblebee and he went to every single flower. So that was helpful. Really the only 2 issues I've had is, one, I need cages because they get so big that the stems split, and especially during a storm and the wind. I need to put cages in next year, so we'll do that. The other thing is initially they got blossom end rot on the fruits. As soon as I found that or saw that, I amended the soil with some more bone meal. You could also use dolomite lime, anything with calcium, because blossom end rot happens because of lack of calcium in the soil. So just amend it with bone meal or dolomite lime. And as soon as I did that, the fruits that were coming out after I amended it no longer had that end rot. I was using that fish and seaweed fertilizer, that liquid stuff, about every 2 weeks. And I haven't done that in about a month. But I probably won't do that anymore because everything's done flowering. I think pretty much what I got is what I'm going to get. It's hot today. It's like 7 o'clock. It's still 92 degrees out here.